Hello, my name is Joseph Wager. I'm a PhD in social work student at Michigan State University, and I'd like to welcome you to my networked learning project video for CEP 810 Summer of 2019. So for this networked learning project, I had to choose a goal of a new skill to learn during this semester, and I chose the skill of painting miniatures for a board game. This photo here is a picture of a piece from the board game Scythe that my family and I love to play, and I was excited to start learning about how to paint this, but a little trepidation was there, and can I even do that, and how would that work out, and am I going to ruin the piece for the game? That trepidation was even confounded a little bit by the one catch. The way I had to learn this new skill was solely through electronic means, which means I had to use videos and social media to learn how to do this new skill, which was a lot better than I thought it would be, but that made me scared as a more of a traditional learner. I like books. I like sitting face to face with people. I like someone demonstrating to me in person where I can ask questions. And I didn't think that would be so easy to do by electronic means, but I learned a little differently through this process. I found that the video content was the most helpful for me. That it gave me almost that face-to-face interaction with someone demonstrating how to do it for me. I included two pictures from two videos here I got from YouTube. The first one is basic painting techniques, and this one really started from scratch. And how do you even get started? How do you prime and paint and detail and go on from beginning to finish with basic painting techniques, which is very useful, and I watched it many times throughout the process. The one on the right there is more on how to highlight almost everything. These are more advanced techniques, and there were several videos for the different advanced techniques, and this was great to add a lot of detail and to build upon the knowledge from the basic learning video. Even though I found the videos to be the most helpful with learning to actually perform the new skill myself, social media was fantastic for ideas. Included here, I have a screenshot of an Instagram page and a Facebook page that I started following. And Instagram is just called Painting Miniatures, and this page just has thousands upon thousands of posts. You can see there's 233,778 posts of just pictures of miniatures that people have done, giving you ideas on how to paint them and what kind of details to do. And you can look up to specific games or different types of miniatures to get great ideas for what you would like to do. And then on the right, you see the Facebook page, the screenshot, and this is Scythe, the board game group, which is great because you can see there in the pictures, people posted photos of what they've done to paint the miniatures themselves, which also gives you great ideas on what to do. Gave me a lot of great ideas and helped me get started as well doing my own. I even found groups that play locally through this, so I've connected with other individuals that I could get together and play the game with besides my family, which would be great. Here's a page where I wanted to give you a demonstration of some techniques that I have learned. Here's an airship for the game. These are the last set of pieces that I have to paint for the game, and I wanted to show you through the stages and what I've learned. In the first photo on the left, it just has a primer paint on it, and this goes over the plastic and allows the other paint colors to stay on it. And then next you do the main color that you would like to have on the miniature, that is like a lighter that will be harder to cover up a dark color, so you put this underneath and then you highlight with a dark color. And as you can see on the photo on the right, the last one, I added the darker color on top of to start getting some of the detail, and you can see the contrast. And the last step after this, I don't have this finished yet because it's still drying. That's one thing, is there's a nice lengthy wait in between each of these stages with paint and waiting it to dry, but there's a way to highlight and add the fine little details on this to make them look really, really cool. So here from start to finish, to show you my before and after picture of the original miniature that I set out to do. On the left is the original photo that I started this video with, and on the right is the finished product that I have come out with. And I have found a new self-care activity that I absolutely love doing, and almost become a little bit of a session that I like to spend a little too much time doing. So here at the end of my video, I wanted to show you what I have done. I started out with the one miniature as a goal in the front with the little lady and the tiger, and I have ended up painting almost all of the miniatures for the entire game, which has been a great deal of fun. Now I'm just looking for my next game to do so I can keep up with this painting skill that I have acquired. Thanks for watching.